So this video is a very short summary of our beginners solo ballroom, and we were looking at Quickstep, and it was solo routine 1. It was the first time that we looked at our solo Quickstep. So let me make a start. I'm going to start on my left foot. We're going to do a basic across the room, only half. I'm not going to return, I'm just going one way. So left foot, slow, quick, quick, slow and slow. For the purposes of our solo dancing, I was making our routines fit an 8 count pattern to go with the music, and again to make it nice and easy we were doing everything in 8. So each section is a section of 8 beats, 1 bar. So we're going from here, slow, quick, quick, slow and slow. From here I went backwards on the diagonal, a very small repeated lock step. Step, cross, step, cross, step, cross, step, tap. Last one is a tap, no weight on it, just a little bit of weight, but I want to reuse it on the way forwards. Okay, so that was our second bar. I'm going to use that leg forwards. I'm going to do a Charleston lock step. So this again is a mix of steps, the Charleston step and a standard lock step, and we've put it together just for the purposes of this routine. Slow, quick, quick, slow and Charleston heel. Then going backwards for a back lock step. Slow, quick, quick, slow, Charleston toe. So in our normal quick step we have a normal lock step, which is a slow, quick, quick, slow, or slow, quick, quick, slow, whichever foot we happen to be on, forwards or back. So we're just adding the Charleston heel and toe in at the end. Okay, we then went forwards on the little repeater, quick, 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 toe. That's our next one. And then from here we finished our basic, slow, quick, quick, slow and slow. Let's do all of that again, okay? So we're going slow, quick, quick, slow and slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, heel, slow, quick, quick, slow and toe, quick, 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 tap, slow, quick, quick, slow and slow. Then we had 4 tipple chassis, left and right, left and right. Tipple on the left, tipple on the right, tipple on the left, tipple on the right. And we just did 1 rotation. You could do 2 if you wanted to, if you're feeling adventurous, but it's up to you. We were facing the front, and we had our final little footwork step, which was 2 slow hops and a woodpecker hop. So we went slow, slow, quick, 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 with the foot tapping like a woodpecker. Same thing on the other side, slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. And then we walked back to the other side with a nice little slow walk, a little bit of Charleston hands, just to go across and get back to the start. Okay, I'll do that once more. And slow, quick, quick, slow and slow. Quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow and slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. And that was it. There's our quick step solo routine number 1.